Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the incredible new 2027 Audi Nuvolari, a futuristic luxury grand tourer that blends breathtaking design, advanced technology, and electrified performance into one stunning package. If you're passionate about premium cars and want to see what the future of Audi looks like, stay tuned because this concept pushes the boundaries of innovation. The first thing you'll notice about the 2027 Audi Nuvolari is its dramatic and elegant exterior. Every line has been sculpted to improve aerodynamics while creating an unmistakable road presence. The front fascia features an illuminated interpretation of Audi's signature single-frame grille, surrounded by razor-sharp matrix LED headlights that stretch seamlessly into the fenders. The lighting animation creates a futuristic welcome sequence that immediately captures attention. Moving along the side profile, the Nuvolari showcases a long, flowing silhouette with a low roofline that gives it the appearance of a luxury coupe while maintaining the practicality of a grand touring vehicle. Flush door handles, frameless windows, and smooth body surfaces reduce air resistance and enhance efficiency. Massive aerodynamic alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly, while hidden air channels guide airflow around the vehicle for maximum stability at high speeds. At the rear, the full-width OLED light bar creates a spectacular visual signature, extending from one edge of the car to the other. An active rear spoiler automatically adjusts according to speed, improving downforce and handling. The diffuser integrates elegantly into the bumper, emphasizing both performance and sophistication. The combination of futuristic styling and timeless Audi elegance makes the Nuvolari one of the most attractive concept vehicles ever imagined. Opening the doors reveals an interior unlike anything seen before. The cabin embraces minimalist luxury with premium sustainable materials, recycled carbon fiber accents, genuine wood trim, and handcrafted leather alternatives. Every surface has been designed to create a calm and luxurious atmosphere while showcasing cutting-edge technology. The dashboard features a panoramic curved OLED display that stretches across the entire front cabin, providing crystal-clear graphics and customizable information. Instead of traditional buttons, most functions are controlled through advanced touch-sensitive surfaces and voice commands powered by artificial intelligence. The AI assistant learns driver preferences over time, automatically adjusting climate settings, navigation routes, and entertainment options. The steering wheel features a futuristic flat top and flat bottom design with integrated touch controls. In autonomous driving mode, it can partially retract to provide additional cabin space, transforming the interior into a relaxing lounge. Ambient lighting with hundreds of customizable colors creates a unique atmosphere for every journey, while the panoramic smart glass roof can instantly switch from transparent to opaque with a single touch. The seats are designed for ultimate comfort, offering multi-way electric adjustment, heating, ventilation, massage functions, and adaptive side bolsters that respond to driving conditions. Rear passengers enjoy executive-level legroom with individual entertainment screens, wireless charging pads, and premium climate controls. Every occupant experiences first-class comfort whether traveling across the city or embarking on a long-distance road trip. Under the elegant bodywork, the 2027 Audi Nuvolari is expected to utilize Audi's latest electric performance architecture. Dual or even tri-motor configurations could deliver intelligent all-wheel drive with instant torque distribution to every wheel. Combined power output is expected to exceed 800 horsepower, allowing acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds while maintaining exceptional stability and control. The next-generation battery pack is expected to provide an estimated driving range of over 500 miles on a single charge, making long journeys more convenient than ever before. Thanks to ultra-fast 800-volt charging technology, drivers could recharge from 10 to 80% in approximately 15 minutes, minimizing downtime and maximizing convenience. Audi engineers have also focused heavily on driving dynamics. Adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts ride height and damping based on road conditions, ensuring exceptional comfort without sacrificing sporty handling. Four-wheel steering improves maneuverability at low speeds while increasing stability during high-speed cornering. Torque vectoring technology intelligently distributes power between the wheels for maximum grip and confidence in every situation. Technology is another area where the Nuvolari truly shines. A fully autonomous Level 4 driving system allows the vehicle to handle many driving situations independently while keeping occupants safe and comfortable. Advanced LiDAR sensors, cameras, radar systems, and artificial intelligence continuously monitor the surroundings, creating a comprehensive understanding of the environment in real time. The infotainment system supports seamless smartphone integration, cloud connectivity, over-the-air software updates, and augmented reality navigation that projects directional information directly onto the windshield. Audi's premium 3D sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall with immersive surround audio quality, while active noise cancellation creates an incredibly quiet driving experience. Safety remains a top priority with predictive collision avoidance, intelligent emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alerts, and advanced occupant protection systems. The vehicle constantly communicates with surrounding infrastructure and other connected vehicles to anticipate hazards before they become visible. Storage solutions have also been carefully designed. The rear cargo area offers generous luggage capacity, while the front trunk provides additional storage for charging cables and travel essentials. Clever compartments throughout the cabin make everyday practicality as impressive as the luxury experience itself. Although Audi has not officially confirmed pricing for a production version of the Nuvolari, industry experts estimate a starting price between $180,000 and $250,000 depending on configuration and optional technology packages. Limited edition performance variants equipped with exclusive materials and enhanced capabilities could command significantly higher prices, placing the Nuvolari among the world's most prestigious luxury electric grand tourers. With its breathtaking exterior styling, revolutionary interior design, astonishing electric performance, intelligent technology, and uncompromising luxury, the 2027 Audi Nuvolari represents a bold vision of the future. It demonstrates how performance and sustainability can exist together without sacrificing elegance or excitement, setting a new benchmark for premium automotive innovation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this exclusive review of the futuristic 2027 Audi Nuvolari, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest luxury car reviews. Let us know in the comments whether you would choose this futuristic Audi over its rivals, and we'll see you in the next video.